In honor of all his work behind the scenes, I am giving one of my best paint jobs, the Camo Jesta, to Mr. Echo, also known as Stoop 2.0. You may have noticed my opening crawl or intro video that was made by him. He also showed me how to add little text and animated stuff into my videos. So it is because of him my channel was able to evolve just that little bit more. And I figure this would be a worthy, there goes Fluffy chewing a ball, a worthy gift for such efforts that he's had behind the scenes. And he's never asked for a thing, and he always did stuff offering help of his own accord and volition. I never had to ask for anything. And that's what makes him such a great person and a big contributor to his channel. Please forgive me, I'm very tired. Now, there are other things I wanted to say, but I'm just too tired to think straight, honest to God, so please forgive me. I know he'll enjoy it. I've already talked to him. I've got his address. I'm going to have this thing out by next week or so. So that should be good. Probably a priority mail, so he'll have it within 2 to 3 days of me shipping it. Unfortunately, no glass case with this or an acrylic one. There's that virus scare in China, so I think there won't be any more cases with the Gunpla kits I give away for a long time, unless I pay more money for the cases than the kits to have them custom made in America. They are expensive.